Hello everyone. Good morning. Welcome back to the max session. I'm here, your Jasdeep ma'am from the Little Star School. Today we are going to do question number 2 of exercise 7.5 from the page number 160. The question is Sarita brought 2 upon 5 meters of ribbon and Lalita 3 upon 4 meters of ribbon. So, what is the total length of ribbon they brought? They have brought different meters of ribbon. So, in total, how much they have brought? That we have to find. Okay. So, let's start. Solution. That first we'll write ribbon length of Sarita is equals to 2 upon 5 meters. I am writing m for meters, okay? And ribbon length of Lalita is 3 by 4 meters. As you can see that both the fraction has a different denominator, right? Here it is 2 upon 5 and here it is 3 upon 4. So if different denominators are there, so what we have to do? We have to take out the LCM, right? So 5 and 4. We'll take out the LCM. In 2 table, 5 is not coming, but 4 is coming. So 2 2s are, and then 2 1s are. Again 5 is not coming, we'll carry down that down. Then 5 1s are. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. So we got the LCM is equals to 20. Okay. So now let's put this LCM into the denominator. So 2 upon 5. So by which number I will multiply? So I will get 20. So I will multiply by 4. So in numerator also 4 is equals to 2 4s are 8 and then 3 4s are 20. Like that way only we will do the another fraction 3 upon 4. By which number I will multiply? So I will get 20. I will multiply by 5. So in numerator also 5 3 5s are 15 and 4 5s are 20. Okay. So what we got? We got 8 upon 20 and 15 upon 20. So which sign we will put in the middle? As they have told what is the total length of the ribbon, means together how much they have brought, that we have to find. So what we have to do? We will add. As they have told that if I am saying you that your sister is having 2 chocolates and you are having 3 chocolates with you, so in together how many chocolates you are having? So you will tell in together we two are having 5 chocolates, right? So what you have done here? Addition. Like that way only here also we will do the addition, because they have told in in total the length of ribbon they have brought was how much. That's why. Okay. So 20 20 denominators are same, so I'll write 20 and then 8 plus 15. So 15 plus 8. 8 plus 5 is 13 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So I got the answer 23 upon 20 meters. Okay. Now we'll write the last statement, that is total length of the ribbon of the ribbon by both Sarita and Lalita is 23 upon 20 meters. Okay. This is a word problem, so it is compulsory to write the statement. Okay. Okay, now moving to the next question. Question number 3. In question number 3 of exercise 7.5 from the page number 160, the question is, Nana was given one integer 1 upon 2 piece of cake and Nijma was given one integer 1 upon 3 piece of cake. You all also like cake, na? So, as you can see, the different kind of fractions are given, mixed fraction to both of the friend. So, find the total amount of cake was given to both. So there was a shopkeeper. We can suppose that shopkeeper has given one integer 1 upon 2 piece of cake to Nena and one integer 1 upon 3 piece cake of to Nijma. So find the total. So shopkeeper is want to find the total, that how much I have given to this both girls. So we will help that shopkeeper to find. Okay, let's do it. So the fraction of cake Nana is equals to 1 integer 1 upon 2 and the fraction of cake Nijma got is equals to 1 integer 1 upon 3. Okay, this is in a mixed fraction. We can also convert into the improper fraction, because as we have to find the total of it, so we have to convert into improper fraction and then like fraction, and then the sum will be solved. So here only we will see that we convert it into the improper fraction. You can see 2 ones are 2 and 2 plus 1 3. So 3 upon 2. You remember in the previous video only I have told that we have to go upward side, right? So 2 ones are 2 and plus sign will be there here. So 2 plus 1 3. So I have written 3 upon 2. And here it is 3. So 3 ones are 3 plus 1 4. So 4 upon 3. Okay. We have converted into the improper fraction. Numerator is greater than the denominator. Means it is called as improper fraction. So it is improper fraction and you can see that it is unlike fraction also, because both denominators are different. So here what we'll do? Here we'll take out the LCM, right? So if we'll take out the LCM, 3 and 2. So 2 table 3 is not coming. So write down 3 like that only, and 2 ones are, and then 3 ones are. 2 threes are 6. So we got the LCM 6. Okay. Now we will solve the further one. 3 upon 2. So in denominator we need 6. So what we will do? We will multiply by 3. And in numerator also 3. So 9 upon 6. Next fraction is 4 upon 3. I'll multiply by 2. So I'll get 6 in the denominator. So in numerator also I'll multiply by 2. 4 twos are 8 and 3 twos are 6. Okay. Now we will do the addition. 9 upon 6 plus 8 upon 6. Why we are doing addition? Because we have to find the total amount of cake, right? So that's why we are adding. So both 6 is there, so denominators are same. And 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8 is 17. Here we got the fraction. Okay. And you can also write into the mixed fraction also, because as in the question it was given the mixed fraction. So you can divide it. 17, 6 divided by 17. In 6 table 17 is not coming, but what it is coming? 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, and 6 3s are 18, means it is bigger than number. So we'll take 6 2s are 12. 7 minus 2 is 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So we got, so this is the quant, remainder, and this is the divider. So we can also write in mixed fraction, it is like quant, remainder and divider is equals to, quant is 2, remainder is 5, and divider is 6. Here we got the answer.